How to see watch history on TikTok. Check recently watched on TikTok. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply go to your profile that is next to your inbox. Tap profile here, and then once you're on your profile, what you're going to do is to simply look for the three lines, and you can see it at the top right corner. Now click settings and privacy. Okay, you have to scroll down, go to content and display, and then tap this activity center. Tap this one. Okay, now under activity center, you will see options there like watch history, comment history. So what you're going to do is to simply tap this watch history here. And here are the videos that you have watched recently. And if you want to watch it again, you just have to simply tap. If you want to delete also, you just have to simply tap. Now, if you tap to select, then you can specifically delete that video that you want to delete, or you can select all watch history and then delete. As easy as that. And that's how easy it is to watch history on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.